Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this video, we are going to study Thevenin theorem for DC circuits. In the last classes, I have already taught you KCL, KVL, voltage divider rule, current divider rule, mesh analysis, nodal analysis, and star to delta and delta to star transformation. So if you want to see that videos, you can check them in the description box below, or you can go to the channel playlist. Okay, so before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. So let us start the video. Thevenin theorem is used to find the current through or voltage across any one element in the electrical network. So if we want to find the current or voltage across any one element in the electrical network, we can use Thevenin theorem instead of the nodal or mesh analysis. So this Thevenin theorem makes the network analysis process more simpler. So let us see the statement of Thevenin theorem. The statement is, any two-terminal bilateral linear active DC circuit can be replaced by an equivalent circuit consisting of a voltage source and series resistor. That means a two-terminal DC circuit, which is also a bilateral linear active circuit, that DC circuit can be replaced by an equivalent circuit which consists of a voltage source with a series resistance, and that voltage source in the equivalent circuit is called as Thevenin voltage, and the series resistance in the equivalent circuit is called as Thevenin resistance. Okay, so this is the Thevenin equivalent circuit with VTH in series with RTH, and this is the load resistor RL through which we have to find out the load current IL by Thevenin theorem. Okay, this is the Thevenin equivalent circuit. Here the voltage source has voltage which is called as Thevenin voltage VTH, and the series resistance is called as Thevenin resistance RTH. Okay, here the load current will be equal to VTH divided by RTH plus RL. This L will be in subscript. So IL will be equal to VTH divided by RTH plus load resistance RL. So by applying KVL in this circuit, we can find out this equation. Now next is steps of solving DC network using Thevenin theorem. First step is remove load resistance RL. The resistance in which we have to find out the current, we have to remove that resistance from the circuit, and we will get the open terminals when we remove the load resistance RL. Then we have to find out the open circuit voltage across the open terminals, which is called as VOC, and this open circuit voltage across the open terminal is equal to the Thevenin voltage VTH. Third step is to find out the Thevenin resistance. For that we have to deactivate the constant sources. These sources must be independent sources, not dependent sources. So we must deactivate the independent sources. For this, if voltage source is given, then it should be replaced by a short circuit or its internal resistance, or if current source is given, then it is replaced by open circuit or its internal resistance. After deactivating the constant sources, fourth step is to find the equivalent resistance of the circuit looking through the open terminals, and the equivalent resistance or internal resistance of the circuit is the Thevenin resistance RTH. Okay. Next step is, after finding open circuit voltage and equivalent resistance, we have to obtain the Thevenin equivalent circuit by placing VTH in series with RTH. And after drawing the equivalent circuit, we have to reconnect the load resistance RL, and by using the formula we calculate the load current. Now to understand these steps of solving Thevenin theorem, let us solve one question. The question is, determine load current through 5 ohm resistor. First step was remove load resistance RL. So we have to find the current through 5 ohm resistor. That means this 5 ohm resistor is our load resistance RL. Let this be terminal number X and let this be terminal Y. We have to remove this 5 ohm resistor from here. then the circuit will look like this. Okay. Now next step is find the open circuit voltage VOC across this open terminal, which will be equal to the Thevenin voltage. Across these open terminals we have to find out the open circuit voltage VOC. So since it is a open circuit, the current through 2 ohm resistor I will be equal to 0. So the voltage drop across this 2 ohm resistor V will be equal to 0, because voltage is equal to current into resistance. Okay, so since the voltage drop across this 2 ohm resistor is 0, this open circuit voltage VOC get directly applied to this 3 ohm resistor. Now since it is a open circuit, the current which flows in the 1 ohm resistor will directly go into the 3 ohm resistor. That means 1 ohm and 3 ohm are in series. By voltage divider rule, VOC is equal to total voltage, that is 10 volt, into that resistance in which VOC is existing, means 3 ohm, divided by total series resistance, means 1 ohm and 3 ohm. Okay, from this we get VOC is equal to 30 by 4, which is equal to 7.5 volt. And since Thevenin voltage VTH is equal to open circuit voltage VOC, so VTH will also be equal to 7.5 volt. Now next step is, for finding the Thevenin resistance RTH, we have to deactivate the constant sources present in the circuit. So here only voltage source is given. We replace this voltage source by short circuit like this. After short circuiting this 10 volt source, this 1 ohm and 3 ohm will come in parallel with each other when we look into this circuit through these open terminals. So this circuit will look like this now. When we solve this, we get 1 into 3, 1 plus 3 is equal to 3 by 4 ohm. The parallel combination of 1 ohm and 3 ohm will be equal to 3 by 4 ohm. So now the circuit will look like this. Now when we are looking into the open terminals, we can see that this 2 ohm resistor and this 3 by 4 ohm resistor are in series with each other. So resistances in series are added. 2 ohm plus 3 by 4 ohm is equal to 11 by 4 ohm we will get. Now the circuit will look like this. So the equivalent resistance of this circuit looking into the open terminals, R equivalent, will be equal to 11 by 4 ohm. Okay, which is equal to Thevenin resistance RTH. So RTH will also be equal to 11 by 4 ohm. Now next step is obtain the Thevenin equivalent circuit by placing the Thevenin voltage VTH in series with the Thevenin resistance RTH. And then next step is to reconnect the load resistance RL and find the load current. So first we draw the equivalent circuit like this. So we got VTH is equal to 7.5 volt and RTH is equal to 11 by 4 ohm. Okay. Now we have to find out the load current IL through this RL. Our RL was 5 ohm resistor. So the formula for load current is IL is equal to VTH divided by RTH plus RL. VTH is 7.5 volt divided by RTH is 11 by 4 ohm plus 5 ohm. So when we solve this, we get IL is equal to 0.9677 ampere. So this is the load current through 5 ohm resistor. Okay. In the next class, we are going to discuss the methods of finding Thevenin resistance RTH when dependent source are given in the circuit. So hope you have understood this topic. Thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.